Jumped out of my dreams, pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes cause I couldn't believe that you were right in front of me. Feeling pushed right through my heart, fireworks lit right from the start. Got me on cloud nine.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's been about 6 days since we got back from Florida, and Michelle and I are loading the trailer back up again. We got some stuff here that we're just starting to put into these cabinets. We got a bunch of boxes too that are going to go up front here once again, but they're not going to be nearly as numerous. We went to the dealer yesterday and they caulked this part up here. They believe it was leaking from up here, not from the actual seal. So we'll see, but I'm pretty confident that it's going to be okay. But anyway, yeah, it's empty and we got to fill it again. This is all the crap that we got today. Let's take up. We're bringing a sled to Florida, a Flexi Flyer. When's the last time you've seen one of those? This is an antique. Is this a light one? Light one. Yeah, there we go. All right, we're back at the house and we're giving this workbench away. Had it for many years. Michelle got it for me for Christmas one year, but it's going to a new home. Man, we're giving away all our stuff. Good evening, everyone. Another trip up to the trailer. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. There we go. Started loading up miscellaneous tools and such. Keyboard, welding table. And we also got our fishing rods up here too. Yep. Just going to be a quick update. There you go.
That's not where that should go.
What'd you do with the stuff that I had over here?
Throw the trash. It's in that box.
Did you throw that weight in there?
It's in that box. It's my trash can.
That's your trash can? Oh, okay. All right. All right, well, I'll throw this trash in your trash can then. All gone. It's going to be a quick update tonight. See you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, good evening. This is day 3 of loading this up. We've got more stuff that we brought up, and we've started stacking some more boxes over here. We're not really going to have that many more boxes, though, of the Home Depot variety. We have some other stuff here. But, yeah, quick video. We got to get back home. We got some more stuff that we need to do. But coming along. Time's ticking. I think we got about... Today is like 2 weeks on the dot before we got to be out of our house. Catch you guys in a bit. Good afternoon. We are at it again. More stuff going up to the trailer. It is a very cold and windy day. Gray skies. Kind of gloomy. Michelle's going to try to run me over with the truck. I've got to do some modifications on that trailer. I need to put new tires on it. I need to check the grease seals. Whiny brakes on a Chevy truck. Gee, isn't that a surprise? And I have some E-clips that I want to put on the bottom of that so that we can secure the camper, or the camper, the tractor. Yes, the tractor, and some other stuff that we're going to put in there for the trip down to Florida. That was a big bird. Anyway, yeah, moving right along. Okay, this is about it for the Home Depot boxes. We got some more stuff stacked up here, and we brought a couple more things up. But yeah, this is it. All of this stuff is going to get moved forward. I think I explained this before. We're going to take my tool cabinets, strap them down, and then strap all of them together, I think, in this area here. And then everything will fill in around it. So we'll show you guys how that works out. Anyway, okay, it's cold. Can't believe it's almost April. So we're back from taking the stuff up to the trailer, and it's snowing again. That just gives you an indication of how cold it is. Oh man. You can't get to Florida soon enough. Good evening, everybody. Look who's back from California.
I'm here.
And we got Gill's Pizza. Yep, so tomorrow is the day that we're going to be loading up pretty much the remaining stuff from the house. And so yeah, we'll pick the video up again tomorrow as we're moving everything out of the house. But in the meantime, take a quick look at this wonderfully delicious pizza from Gill's of Baltimore. Probably the best pizza on the East Coast. Maybe the world. Oh, it's so delicious. All right, we've been at this for a little bit. Show you what we got done. All right, so this is it so far. Got the 3 toolboxes, actually 4 in here. So that was the what I was concerned about the most, but we're running out of room. I'm a little worried we're going to be able to fit everything in here. We shall continue on. Give you an update in a little bit. Well, we've been at this for a few hours now. My back's starting to hurt me. But we've got more stuff that has to go into the trailer. Not a whole lot more, but some gold mining equipment. That's for the dredge, the motor, and the air supply. Couple pieces here. Sprayer. That's all going to the metal recycler. And I somehow got to fit all this in here. That's going to attach to the tractor when it goes onto the other trailer. Of course, that's for my trooper. That's going to go on top of the trooper. But everything else is staying. Yep. Going to leave this stuff here. Just about got everything taken care of. Whew, I'll be glad when this is over. Let's go take a look at the trailer real quick. All right. This is what the trailer looks like right now. We got it packed almost up to the ceiling. There is so much loose stuff up there. People continue to fly by on this road. I won't miss that. It's getting worse and worse every year, unfortunately. But anyway, there's a table right there that we got wrapped up. That's our kitchen table. We have a table from the deck that needs to come out here. I think what we're going to do with those is we're going to put them along the wall here on either side, and then stuff will be leaned up against it because we do have some furniture that's left in there in the house. And then of course we have the sofa and a chair that's in there that needs to be brought out. That's not coming out today though. We'll do that later in the week, and we'll just take that up in the back of the pickup truck. But yeah, that's the latest update. The sun is setting and we are finished for today. We didn't get everything done with what we wanted to. There is so much stuff stacked up in there. Holy moly. Yeah. And we don't have a whole lot of space left. We still have to fit a chair, our sectional in here, that cart there, and that tiller, and 2 lawnmowers. Is it going to fit, guys? I don't know. Gonna have to wait to find out. All right, in case you're wondering what I do during the day, not always. I am in the ceiling of a building, and I've got to pull some cable through that mess over there. To get there, I've got to go over this. Ugh. This is not easy when you're old. I gotta stand up on this. Going down here. The cable I'm pulling is right there. So it's kind of hung up, so I got to go back over there, which means traversing those floor joists, or I should say, I guess they're floor joists. Those are trusses up there. Anyway, so one wrong move, I go through the ceiling. So I have to put the camera down now. And in case you're wondering, that was my 4th trip back and forth, because the cable kept getting hung up. Now I'm going back over this way. So I can now pull more cable through. I was just over there on that far end. Okay, more cable to pull. Good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday afternoon, and we still have lots of stuff in here. Yes, lots of yard equipment. And I've got my truck loaded down with a bunch of stuff. We made a trip to the trailer today, took it to a cat scale, and it's too heavy. So we have to make other arrangements. So I got tools over here that I got to pack up. Some things there, that's trash. But anyway, yeah, let me show you what we have left inside. Right, here's the kitchen. Michelle's very flustered right now. She's giving me a dirty look. So we've still got this chair, the sofa, this doohickey here, a couple lamps, two end tables.
I'm not taking those lamps, and I do not want those end tables.
Yeah, that's what she says. That's staying, of course. We've got a plant here, and then this stuff in here. By the way, we have tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. That's got to go. That's got to go. Our bed upstairs, there's that TV, and this stuff right here. We're going to get it all out of here in the next 48 hours. Guarantee it. Oh, we got some weights here too. Anyway, yeah, that's the update for today. And we've just been very busy packing. Let's take a look at the backyard real quick. Spring is in full bloom, so to speak. Can't cut the lawn because it was pouring down rain for the past 2 days. But that's what the grass looks like. That is what the yard looks like. We have been eating out every day. I'm gaining weight. I don't like it. Hello. Oh, and this too. But anyway, as I was saying, we are going to get another truck. So, and when I say that, we're just going to rent a U-Haul and load everything that we can into that U-Haul when we're ready. But in the meantime, we're going to get another storage locker, and all of the stuff that doesn't fit in the trailer or Garrett's storage locker will go into that if we need it. So, but we have to make that determination by tomorrow. So anyway, yeah, that's what we got going on. Everything else is status quo here. It is actually a beautiful day. It is in the, I guess close to 60, maybe 55, 56 degrees. Slight breeze. Anyway, I got to let you guys go. I got more work to do before Michelle yells at me. There's my reflection. Hello, guys. Love everybody. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. Share the video of this crazy adventure that we're going on. See you guys. Oh, by the way, this might not be the end of the vlog. You'll probably be seeing, oh, something's going on. Oh, she's doing some laundry down there. Anyway, see you guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Another quick update. It is Sunday. This is our living room, curio cabinet, desk from down in my office, headboard, weight bench, and a mop with no head. Michelle packed the heads, so we can't use it to clean up before we leave. Anyway, this is it. We're going to be putting frozen food in that to move it over to our friend's house. Just a couple odds and ends things here in the kitchen, one box, and then these right here. They're going up next. Let me show you what I got outside. We're moving one of the tractor parts up to our cargo trailer. This thing is a beast. We are taking that up now. Yes. With the trooper. Gotta go. Well, everyone, the family room is cleared out. It is about 10 o'clock at night. We are tired. We've been moving stuff all day long. All day long. This is it. Our bed is upstairs and just a couple things on the counters. And I think we've got everything cleared out of here. Yes, except just that. And the dining room, just that. That is it. So we are going to sit down and have a sheets dinner on these containers and watch some YouTube. It's been a very long day.
Thank you, Garrett, for your help.
Yes, Garrett, thank you so much. We love you so much.
Love you too.
You have been such an integral part of us finishing this.
Glad I could be here to help.
Yes.
Love you.
All right, let's eat.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Well, today is the last day at our house, and it's a frosty morning here on April 11th, 2022. You can see the frost down there and actually all over the place. I got a couple more things to do and a couple more things to move out of here, and then we'll be done. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, so this is it. Garrett, Michelle, and I are here at the house for the last time. Garrett's going back to California now. Michelle and I got a couple more things that we gotta take out of the house, but that's it.
But we're almost done.
Almost finished.
Yeah.
Well on our way to Florida now.
Yeah. Well,
We're kind of just going down the street.
Yeah, well, go a
Yay,
couple miles
down
down
the
the road.
street.
But it is further south than we are now, definitely. All right, we just dropped the trooper and the tractor off with some implements at another person's house. We are quite spread out now with all of our stuff. Anyway, we're almost finished. Got a couple more things at the house to do, and then we're done.